Storms Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about Total Wireless. So I'm on front.com, and it says here Total Wireless is a solid budget hack, and it now goes hand in hand with Motorola. So this is pretty cool. So I recently did a video about something like this about Total Wireless offering the Galaxy S25 for $500. So this is pretty much a similar video to that. So let's go ahead and check this out here. It says reliable 5G ultra wideband data speeds and a free 2026 release phone. Total Wireless stepped things up. So you can get this phone for free at Total Wireless. So let's go ahead and check this out here. Says here prepaid carriers have long been in the shadow of the big three, offering low cost alternatives while relying on the same network infrastructure. Total Wireless, which runs on Verizon's network, is among the providers competing in the segment. Total Wireless versus Mint Mobile, who does it better? Since it's an MVNO, Total Wireless allows users to try 5G services without committing to an annual or biannual contract. In fact, this Verizon-owned prepaid carrier allows you to sign 1-month plans, allowing you to try out that service and decide whether it's right for you. I'm guessing this is the Verizon map, I guess. Ugly ass color. They need to make that red or something. It's kind of hard to tell. But get to the Verizon website to look up the coverage map if you guys need to. It says, but it's not the only MVNO in the U.S. And Mint Mobile is one of its major competitors. What's the difference between the two? So now we're comparing Mint Mobile to Total Wireless. Since for starters, Mint Mobile has 3-month, 6-month, or annual plans, so it's definitely not as flexible as Total. Secondly, most of Mint's plans come with a data cap of 5 gigabytes, 15 gigabytes, or 20 gigabytes respectively, while each of Total's plans comes with unlimited data, including the cheapest ones. Yeah. That said, Mint Mobile's plans are usually more affordable, with prices starting at $15 a month or $45 for 3 months, and contrast Total Wireless least expensive monthly plan starts at $40 a month. With Mint, this service is prepaid, meaning users need to pay upfront for all 3 months, while Total is also a prepaid carrier. No shit, we all know that both carriers are prepaid. No contracts, of course. It uses a pay-as-you-go approach. This allows users to pay for the service each month. No contracts required. Bottom line, although it's a bit pricier than Mint Mobile, Total Wireless could be the better option for users who don't want to feel restrained by monthly data caps. Total makes switching easier than you would think. Switching to Total Wireless might sound tedious, but it's actually not. The MVNO gives you flexibility, allowing you to keep your number or get anyone from Total and get monthly data service without ever paying. So yeah. Alright. So now this is where we get into the free phone finally, right? But is there a comparison between Mint Mobile and Total Wireless? It all depends on the user though, so do keep that in mind. It says the carrier lets you choose whether you want to keep your current phone or buy a new one. If you're currently looking to switch to Total and get a new device, the Moto G Power 2026 is a great choice for users on a budget. Likely for a limited time, so keep that in mind. Total Wireless allows you to get the Motorola's latest durability champ for free when you port in your current phone number and verify your ID. This offer requires you to pick a 5G unlimited plan, so you can get a free Moto G Power 2026 at Total Wireless if you guys put your number over the Total and get a 5G unlimited plan. So pretty simple and straightforward there. So definitely cool there. It says alternatively, users can get the device for $39 when they get a new phone number and purchase any phone plan at Total Wireless. Why Moto G Power 2026, you may ask? While brands like Samsung aim to bring some high-tier hardware in their budget offerings, such as adding OLED screens to sub-$200 phones, Motorola does things differently. The Moto G Power 2026 is a prime example of that. The phone is a durability champion, featuring IP69 nice and IP68 ratings to ensure it's harder to damage by water and dust. The device has also been tested at 14 mil spec 810H procedures to promise remarkable toughness. So there's the Moto G Power 2026 right there. Very nice looking phone and whatnot. Put simply, this option is for users seeking durability above all else. It also passes 6.8-inch display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, as well as a hefty 5200 mAh battery for longer use on a single charge. The model also differs. God damn it, can't talk. The model also offers pretty decent performance with daily tasks, though it's certainly not the most powerful budget phone on the market. Obviously, the Moto G Power is a good phone. Don't get it twisted for the price. Can't go wrong for the price, especially for free. But you should be able to get decent performance depending on what you throw at it. So, yeah, it says the perfect package for value-oriented users. While some users just won't be tempted by the idea to jump on this prepaid phone offer. The person who wrote this article says that they find it way too good to miss. Let's face it, the Moto G Power 2026 can't really give you much more than a super durable body. But when you can get it for free, things look a lot more exciting. Plus, Total's plans are considerably more affordable than any of the big three, obviously. So, yeah. So, yeah, if you guys are looking to get a new phone on a new carrier, Total Wireless has a deal going on right now where you guys can get a free Moto G Power 2026 for free if you guys put your number over to Total Wireless and get a 5G plan. Of course, if you put your number over, you can get the Moto G Power 2026 for free. That's worth checking out. However, if you get a brand new number with Total Wireless, the Moto G Power is $39, so it's still not a bad deal either. Either way you guys go, definitely worth checking out if you guys like to get a new phone on a new carrier. Total Wireless is definitely worth checking out because they have affordable plans with features and perks and stuff on Verizon network as well. If you guys want the best experience on Total Wireless, get their Total 5G Plus plan, which is their most top tier plan right now. It has all the features and perks that you guys want, so check it on out. And yeah, this is definitely worth checking out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.